Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm here showing you how to record with a program called OBS, Open Broadcaster Software. What this software does is allows you to stream and record, like it says right here. All you have to do is download it and install it. Then what you should get is something like this. Of course, yours would be blank with the scenes and sources, and you would just go ahead and set this up and do what you got to do. So to get started, you would go to your settings, and under setting profile, you would click add, and you can name it PC recording. Then you would go under encoding, and I would recommend you uncheck mark this and make this to 10. I think it's default 5, and then you can check mark this again. Under your max bitrate, I would recommend 15,000. It's just a good starter point. If your computer can handle more, go ahead, go to 30,000. Also, your bitrate, please make this either 128 or 320. 320 makes it bigger, and so if you like really long recordings, then I would choose 120, but it's all about the audio. Also, this comes standard like this. You can change it to that. Okay, so the main part now is broadcast settings. What you need to do is it usually is under live stream. So what this does is, the normal live streaming, and I won't be going over every option in this video, so just keep in mind I'm just going to go over the recording part. Just going to briefly go over this. Live streaming, you pick your thing, whatever's close, your Steam, or your stream key, or your play path. You can just Google that to figure it out. You will need a Twitch account for this. You can also just click this and it would save whatever you record to your OBS file in your videos folder, and you need your streaming key. But for this, you will need file output only. You find the file path, it's default as in your OBS folder, which is inside your videos folder. And it would save as video, and then whenever you stop recording and start again, it would be video 1, video 2, video 3. So there's really no point in naming it something special. You start with your stream key. This does not stream. In this case, it records. You go under your videos, and it would show your video card, and you would put in your resolution. For me, it's 1920 by 1080. And you would keep this at 30 frames, and no downscaling, unless you really want to. You can also disable the arrow. I hope I'm saying that right, arrow. And what it does is it makes your skins back to default and boost your computer performance. You can go to audio, select default, which means if you make your headphones, for example, your default audio device, it will pick up whatever your headphones pick up. You set up your microphone. You can set up push to talk, do whatever you want. You can mute, unmute. You can set all this up. But for advanced, yours should be looking like mine. I'm not going to go over it that much, but just pause the video right here and do yours. Just honestly, don't really touch it in the beginning. Like whenever you get this, don't mess around with too much of it. I think this is check mark. You can uncheck that if you want. Your microphone noise gate, you will have to mess around with, because I'm not really the best one to talk with about this because I never really used it. But this changes the decibel, or however you say it, the dB of whatever you record. So with this all set up, you can click OK. Then you go to scene, and you would add a new scene, name it PC recording. Then under your sources, you would add a source, which would be your game capture. And you open up, and you can click your applications. So for example, right here, Minecraft. And you can capture, and you can stretch the screen, things like that. I just leave mine default like this. And now, for example, if I open up my Minecraft I have open, and I minimize it, actually I need to start preview, so start preview, open it, and you minimize it again, it should be open. But as you see, you have these black bars down here. So I think one way you can get rid of those is go stretch screen, if I'm not mistaken, and now you have to refresh that. Actually, no. Okay, how you get rid of it is you would play your video game in full screen, because if you look down here, there's this space, and that space is um, what is showing up is this black border right here. And you could actually, I think if you click on it somehow, I'm forgetting how to do this, position and size, and you could just change it around and preview it. You can change it and stretch it, but then it messes up. Like, for example, in Minecraft, you wouldn't see part of this chat. So that is how you stream with OBS. One thing I forgot is you stop previewing, and if you want to record, you just click start streaming. And when you start streaming, you're recording. So now I can wiggle around, and it recorded that, and I can click stop streaming. And then you go to your videos, OBS, and right here, video 3, 7 seconds. As you saw, it recorded what just went on. So that is how you record with OBS. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And you can also message me on YouTube if you like, or Google+. So if you liked the video, leave a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.